my name is Lindsay, and today we're back testing more home hacks with Sears Home Services. Cleaning your windows can be a pain, so we've got some tips and tricks to help make it easier. For the first hack, we're going to try making your own DIY glass cleaner. So a lot of store-bought glass cleaners can leave streaks and residue and don't necessarily clean as well as they should. So this cleaner you can make from simple ingredients that you should already have lying around your house. You're just going to need 3 ingredients. 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of dish soap. And then we're just going to mix those 3 together. Alright, so we put our DIY glass cleaner just in a little spray bottle to make it easier, and then we're just going to go ahead and spray it on our window here, and then grab a paper towel and see if this one works. We got this window dirty ahead of time to test it, and there's a lot of gunk on here, but it looks like it's cleaning it pretty well. Vinegar is used in so many different household cleaners, and it does have a strong smell to it, so if you don't mind that, it's looking like it's working great, and this is a very streak-free cleaner. It's not leaving any residue, so I would say this one's a success. The second hack is going to be using newspapers and coffee filters to clean your windows instead of paper towels. So we're going to test both and see if they work and which one works better. So on half of our window here, we're first going to test newspapers. So we're just going to spray some of our cleaner on here. It's not as smooth rubbing over the window, and it looks like it's just kind of moving everything around instead of really cleaning it off. It's actually leaving some black stuff on the window too, so I'm not so sure about this one. But now we will test the coffee filters and see if those work a little better. This one looks like it's working much better than the newspaper for sure. It's all coming off really well. It doesn't leave behind any streaks. And I would say that this one's a success. It works much better than the newspaper. So if you're gonna try any other household products rather than paper towels, the coffee filters are definitely a good way to go. For the third hack, we're gonna try using a sponge brush to clean those hard to reach window tracks that you often forget about when you're cleaning your windows, and see if this actually works. We're going to take our sponge brush, dip it into our multi-purpose cleaner, and then start cleaning these tracks in here. So we're just going to kind of scrub through these, and it looks like this one's working well. It's the perfect size to get into those tracks and clean out any of that dirt and gunk in there. Alright, so the newspaper hack was a total fail, but the other ones worked great and would definitely make cleaning day a lot easier. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below letting us know what hacks you'd like to see us test next. Thanks for watching!